Ilibing sa bayani, libingan ng mga bayani, itapon kayo sila doon sa Laguna, kulang yung Manila Dibay, Laguna Dibay, walang pagkain ng isda na doon. Totoo, kata mo sa Davao, ang laki-laki ng mga lapu-lapo. Kayo alam mo, we are trying to be a civilized country. We aspire to be a cultured and proper. Pero pag nilagay mo ako sa kanto, you boxed me in, wala na ako because I promised the Filipino yanda. Alam mo, 4 lang. Do you remember? Sabi ko, no corruption. Ginagawa ko. Hinihiritan ko talaga. Sabi ko, druga. That's why during the presidential debates, I was first to finish my piece. Because bullets lang ako. Sabi ko, druga. Tapos sabi ko, I will talk to the enemies of the state to seek peace. Mag-usap na kami ni Season. Tapos we are still talking to the MI pati MN. Ang masama naman dyan, yung terorista, yung galing Middle East. Yan ang problema natin. And it will remain a problem for the next 10-15 years. Mahirap yung mga yan. All they know, it's not Islam. It can never be Islam. Kasi ang nanay kong Maranao, ang tatay ko Cebuano. So do not give me that shit na magpatay ka that you are a martyr kung ikaw ang mamatay, but you keep on killing all infidels. Ang infidels sa kanila are the non-Muslims. So, sabi ko, do not give me that. Huwag mo akong lukuhin kasi maski mag-usap kami. Pero, hindi niya akong bulahin but they are there. So, kung anong kaya nila, kakayahin rin natin talaga. Wala tayong choice. Ganun lang yan. So, kung anong kaya mo, I can do it 10 times better. Sige mo. Totoo. Daw mo lang. You kill children, rape women. Putang ina, kakainin kita dyan mismo para ka. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Bigyan mo na ako suka, pati asin. Kakainin kita ng buhay. Sanay man ako magkain ng tao. Pero pumapalakpak yung mga babae kasi the Environment and Natural Resources Secretary Roy Simato. Simato is a general. Tapos yung Boracay, alam ko marami tayong problema. Mining, yung open pit, it's destroying the country. In my departure speech, sinabi ko, I will decide. I do not decide by years. I decide by weeks and months. Baka ipagsara ko talaga ang mining na open pit. Baski saan ka magpunta sa Pilipinas, makita mo yung talagang binubuksan yung open pit mining. Tapos yung dagat, yung siltation, yung soil, yung residual, pagka may ulan, dahan pumunta sa... So, a lot of places in the Philippines where mining is being done, ang kanilang siltation yung lupa mo, it's brown. Walang problema yan sa mga mayaman. Ang problema ko, ang marine life para sa mga fisher folk. O sabi ko, either we have to reinvent mining in the Philippines or sarado kayong lahat by the end of the year. Ayaw lang kasi si Sane naman Dominguez because he is the one responsible for money. Dalawa na sila ni Pernia sa NEDA. Pagka may sabihin ako na medyo mag-reduce na, sabihin, no. Sige lang, sabihin nyo, may pahingi ng pera, may project kami. No. That's not good. Sige lang, no. Putang na saan? Ang pera natin, sige ka, no. What they collect, but you know, we get about 70 billion in taxes mining. But I'd like to announce now, we'll have to compromise. We'll have to limit the destruction of the environment. Di talaga pwede. Maawa ka sa bayan mo. And you know, we cannot be forever here and make things happen. We have our own time. We have our own destiny. Sa ayaw mo, hindi mamamatay tayo. Maybe tomorrow I'm gone. Sana yung susunod sa akin, we'll have to... Yung Boracay na yan. Yung ano mo ginawa ng mga putang ina niya? Binaon yung drainage nila, binaon doon sa ilalim. Kaya yung algae, maitim, hindi green. Alam mo, yung Pasig River, if so polluted, makikita mo lang yung water lilies. Baski kunin mo lahat yan, pagka polluted na talaga, is the wonder of nature, they suddenly sprout at maraming water lilies. They are the ones fighting the contamination ng tubig. So with the algae, itim. Pagka ibig sabihin yan, masyadong madumi. At ang nakinabang dyan, malalaking kumpanya, malalaking hotel, and did that really bother to have a water treatment? Dapat yan, lahat ng tubig mo sa banyo o i-flush mo goes into a water treatment. Hugasan yan doon, linisin, bago mo ibalik doon sa Boracay Beach. Sila dito, the human feces are floating there, at itong pinagyayabang natin ang... Sabi ko, sirahan ko yan. Ayaw lang maniwala. Yan ang problema. Hindi sila nasanay. Sabi ko, putang yan, sirahan ko yan. Sinira ko nga. Then pag sinabi ko, gawin ko yan, bantay ka, talagang gagawin ko yan. So, sabi ko kay General Simato, before you go there, sila ni Anyo, sabi ko, fix the things in 6 months. They decided to close it and we're cleaning it. But look, I am not cleaning Boracay at so much expense para sa mga mayaman. Lilinisin ko yan para sa tao. Kaya yung Boracay Island, it's still classified as forestal, pati agriculture. Walang permit dyan, resident